The coast has disappeared behind us, and now the road is entering the deep green heart of Big Sur. The route begins beneath a dense canopy, with guardrails and tall trees guiding the road through a narrow mountain valley.
It's all covered in dust, holding up some old books, supposed to teach you about heaven.
Traffic moves steadily between shaded bends. Brief openings reveal lighter hills beyond the forest before the trees close in again.
I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet
Large trunks stand close to the pavement, giving the road a sheltered feeling. The atmosphere is cooler and quieter than the open coast.
that I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music may get.
A few oncoming cars pass beneath the branches, while the double yellow lines continue deeper into the wooded landscape.
And I can feel her starting to get close. Moving over to me through the memories that only in the shadows on the ceiling know.
The road alternates between gentle curves and short straight sections. Every change reveals another mix of hillside, forest, and distant ridge.
As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close. I hear country music.
Small side roads and scattered buildings begin to appear among the trees. The wilderness now carries quiet signs of local life.
About the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, said honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural.
The forest grows taller around the road, creating long bands of shade. Sunlight touches only the highest branches and occasional clearings. A bridge and retaining walls appear as the route follows the valley floor. The road remains smooth and unhurried beneath the canopy. The woodland opens at a junction framed by towering trees. A roadside sign soon confirms we are beside Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park.
Started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said you want some coffee. Said yeah babe, I take a little sugar in
The park entrance slips past on the right, surrounded by deep green forest. Even from the highway, the landscape feels peaceful and inviting.
skies. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. Except that country music.
Beyond the entrance, the road returns to its steady rhythm beneath tall trees. Cars appear and disappear around the bends, while the forest keeps the journey enclosed, calm, and distinctly different from the exposed coastal cliffs. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about some.